Do I have to operate my business as an LLC? The simple answer is no. By default, if you do not register your business as an LLC, you will then be operating as a sole proprietor. A lot of people don't know that as a sole proprietor, you can still open up a business bank account. You can still apply for an EIN number. You can still apply for a business license, and you can also take it up a notch and operate as a DBA, which is doing business as. So for instance, I could be Yolanda Owens doing business as Owens Document Services under a sole proprietorship. You can still operate a professional business and keep your finances clean by having two separate bank accounts without any issues. However, the benefit of operating as an LLC and registering your business as an LLC is all about the liability. If you are a sole proprietor and for some reason your business makes a huge mistake and you're being sued, they can come after all of your assets. You're still considered an individual, so you have no protection, and they can take everything that you own as far as assets. Regardless if you split up your business and your personal account, they will still be able to come after both. Under a limited liability corporation, it limits the liability on the person, so they only can then come after your business accounts, and your personal assets will be protected. Also, when it comes to filing taxes, as a sole proprietor, you're again still considered an individual, so you're able to still file your taxes as normal under your personal taxes. May have a few additional forms because you are operating a business, but ultimately you will still just do everything under your personal taxes. With an LLC, you have the option of doing a pass-through taxation or a corporate taxation. With the pass-through, the business is not being taxed itself. However, the profits for that year would pass through on to the owner, and then you will be able to just have the option of filing on your personal taxes, or you can go ahead and do the business taxes under a corporate taxation. It's up to you. So those are the main benefits of sole proprietorship versus LLC. Also, one final thing is credibility. A lot of banks and businesses take LLCs a lot more serious than they do sole proprietorship. So when it comes to things like contracts and business loans, people are more likely to deal with LLCs and corporations versus sole proprietorship. So those are all the things you need to consider when you're deciding whether or not to register your business as an LLC.